You are not in proper dress, sir.
Sir, I'm
Show
extremely
me
sorry,
any-
sir.
Show me any you when you are not in the proper
Sir,
dress
sir, I
code.
beg your pardon, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, sir, for that.
That is the only word available.
Sir. Next.
Serial number 9, Kanchan Kumari versus the State of Bihar for the prisoner Shri Pramod Mishra.
Lordship, in compliance of my Lord's order 9th May, District Magistrate Madhya respondent number 4 is present in court, Lordship.
Which order?
9th May order. There was a direction to appear in person, Lordship.
Yes, sir. Who is the district magistrate?
My lord.
You are an IAS officer?
Sir, 2014 batch, sir.
You are not in proper dress, sir.
Sir, I'm
Show
extremely
me
sorry,
any-
sir.
Show me any exemption.
Sir,
Where is the exemption for dress code?
sir, I was been told that I must wear the tie.
Huh?
I must wear the tie, sir. Otherwise,
Huh?
I'm in a formal
you-
attire, sir. I beg your
Then
pardon,
why
sir.
I should hear you when you are not in the proper
Sir,
dress
I
code?
beg your pardon, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, sir, for that.
That is the only word available.
Sir. Next time I'll be careful, sir.
What is this? The Anganwadi Sevika selection, how did you come to the conclusion that it is a forged document?
Sir, this is
the
a
finding?
Sir, it's an old case, sir. My predecessor came to this conclusion, sir. Sir, there was a reasonable doubt because school passing
No,
certificate.
if it is reasonable doubt, you should hold an inquiry, preliminary inquiry.
Yes,
And
sir.
have you given an opportunity to the petitioner
Sir,
before declaring that you have produced forged document?
sir.
What, sir?
Sir, inquiry was been ordered by the district magistrate, but inquiry, I am afraid, sir, it was not been concluded. So, on the basis of this reasonable doubt, the order was been passed by the district
So, on
program.
reasonable doubt, you can hang somebody.
Sir, of course not, sir.
Then what is steps is required to be taken?
Sir, inquiry must be concluded and there should be a proper evidences that the document is forged or not.
Huh.
So it must have been concluded, sir.
Concluded in what manner?
Sir, the letter must have been given to the board examination, board which conducts the examination. The board would have said that this document is forged or not forged.
Huh.
They are the only authority to say
And
it's a
petitioner
forged.
should be given an opportunity before passing any adverse order.
Yeah. Sir, opportunity has been given, sir, by my predecessors.
Show me the material. When the petitioner was given material, these
sir.
are the forged documents. Please give your explanation.
Sir, they were present on my files at the multiple occasions. They were been present to the court, sir, and they
Not
were
present, sir. Whether have you issued a notice asking the petitioner to give his explanation? These are the fake documents.
Sir. Sir, opportunity was been given, sir, and notice was been issued,
Sir,
sir.
opportunity in the sense, have you given material to the petitioner along with the show cause notice? These are the material which are fake. What is your explanation?
The notice has been served, sir, but the material
Sir.
along with it, sir, I'm afraid, sir, that no such material was available.
So I will set aside and remand the matter. You hold a proper inquiry. If the petitioner's documents are forged or a fake document, in that event,
Sir,
take further action.
sir,
Yes, take down in the instant petition.
My lord.
Petitioner has prayed for the following relief. Accused upon 18/4/2022, the following order was passed. Mr. So and so, the district collector, district magistrate, Madhya is present in the court. Accused after a perusal of the records, he submitted that petitioner has not been provided an opportunity. That apart, there is no finding that there is no concrete finding that the petitioner has furnished a forged document. Therefore, the petitioner has made out a prima facie case. Accordingly, the present petition is accordingly the impugned order dated so and so stands set aside. Petition stands allowed. The concerned respondent, competent authority is hereby directed to proceed further in accordance with law in order to find out whether petitioner's documents are forged or not, after giving ample opportunity of hearing to the petitioner at every stage. Accordingly, the petition stands to, the above exercise shall be completed within a period of 3 months. 3 months sufficient?
Sir.
Hmm.
Obliged.